Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me for the unboxing of this Vornado AVH10 new upgraded model space heater. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So inside the box, we find a neatly packaged space heater, also the owner's manual booklet. So first of all, don't panic if you can't find the cord because it's neatly coiled up on the bottom of the heater. This is the tip over protection switch, which turns off the heater if it's either tipped over or is not on a flat surface. This is the handle in the back to carry the heater. It's built with the automatic climate control. You'll set the preferred temperature in the room and it automatically will maintain that temperature. It has 3 settings for air output: on a low setting, high, or you can also use this just as a fan without heater, which is cool. It puts out a really nice vortex action and spreads the air throughout the room quickly and very efficiently. It is very quiet, which I really like. Of course, it can be used in any space, but that would be a perfect and ideal size for a small or medium room. Overall, it's a very efficient heater. It heats up the space really quickly, and the control panel is like really easy to use. Very simple, yet the display is large, and you can see the temperature that's in your room now. And it has really nice features for safety, such as the switch that I mentioned earlier. And even if this heater is constantly working, everything you touch is safe to touch, so like no scalding design, which makes it safe around kids and pets.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.